Okay, today we're going to be doing tilt cylinder seals on a Kioti KL130 loader. These seals are leaking externally on one cylinder and just leaking down. If you have the bucket, the bucket tilted all the way up and just let it sit there, it'll finally just dump the load out. So you don't want your load dumped, do you? We're going to take care of that today. Okay, there's really not any special tools that you're going to need. Need a pipe wrench. You're going to need a 11/16 socket, and really that's about it. It's nothing too complicated. We're going to pull this bolt out. We can pull the pin out. We're going to leave the cylinder in place. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take this off so we can pull the rod out. Let's get started. Astro, what are you doing, boy? Huh? Alright. Take 11/16. Pin. And you can use a hammer if you prefer. When this comes off, you're probably going to have some hydraulic fluid or coming out with it. Actually, this side is, everything looks good on it. I changed it out probably a year ago, and I just changed this side out earlier. And you can see this is the spot that's bad on it. No problem with this or this one. So what you would do, you take this nut off, pull this, and you can pull your nut here. This whole piece comes off. Pull this piece off. And there's the, you can't really see the internal part of it, but and you replace that. This is an assembly and this is assembly through Kioti. Get ready to put it back in, you just start it like that. Loosen those lines to pull that cylinder out. In, you gotta wash the spacer, goes in, your washer on this side. All right. Now, see the bad spot right there in it, and then you got O-rings on the inside, which those appear to be okay. But that'll let it leak internally, leak by the cylinder, and let it fall. But you can't. You got to get this whole assembly, and each. That's a little over $100 for both of these parts. So this one was leaking externally, letting fluid come out. I don't know if you can see, actually right in there is bad, so it's bypassing that and then running down the shaft externally, losing fluid. So I actually repaired this side first, and I got the parts to do the other side. There's nothing wrong with that side. I had changed it out. I'm gonna say it's for sure less than 2 years ago, and but I went ahead and got more parts, and since there's nothing wrong with it, I'm gonna just save them, because I'm sure I'll have to replace something in the future. So anyway, that's what we got. And it'd be just as easy to do yours.